There are two policies that can provide additional liability insurance over your existing liability policies. They are umbrella policies and excess liability policies. There is a big conceptual difference in the two policies. An excess liability policy just extends coverage over your other liability policies. The excess liability policy mirrors the coverages of your base policies. As a result, for an excess liability policy to pay a claim, the base policy must be used up. For instance, if you had a $2 million excess liability policy over your $1 million combined single limit business auto liability policy, you would have to exhaust the $1 million auto liability before the excess liability pays a dime. The umbrella policy is different. An umbrella policy is generally broader in coverage than your base policies. As a result, an umbrella could pay if your base policy did not insure a particular occurrence. Insurance people refer to this as filling the gap. But don't misinterpret those statements. The umbrella policy still has exclusions and limitations, just fewer than your base policies. As a result, an umbrella policy is considered superior to the excess liability policy. While choosing an umbrella limit, the biggest error is getting an amount based upon what a contract requires you to provide, instead of the actual exposure. The situation you want to avoid is as follows. A general contractor that builds about 30 to 40 homes a year asked my opinion. He wanted to know if I agreed with him. His current agent thought he had the need for a $5 million umbrella, and the GC did not think that that was right. The maximum house value that he builds is only $600,000. I agreed with the general contractor. The $5 million umbrella was wrong. And then I told him that his exposure was more in the range of over $50 million. The products and completed operations portion of the commercial general liability policy of certain classes of businesses can easily create that much risk. So how much insurance is enough insurance? My father had a great philosophy. You need $1 more in coverage than you have in loss. Your crystal ball is probably better than ours. Since it's your money and financials, you should choose. We'll assist you with our knowledge of insurance and exposures and insurance company resources. Together we can develop a good protection program. Just give us a call and take care.